So what's going on YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be doing a Genshin Impact hack. This is going to get you unlimited Primogems. This is going to be for iOS and Android only. However, you can go ahead and do this on mobile and then log into your main account on PC. So if you want to do that, you can. And what we're going to do is basically get unlimited Primogems in Genshin Impact. I'm going to show you guys just how easy this is. It is completely for free. It's not going to take you too long. And I'm going to run you through and show you just how to do it. So what we're going to do is go ahead and go to this website called www.nowplugins.com. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and type into Genshin Impact into this website called www.nowplugins.com. Once you're there, it's going to say Genshin Impact. It's going to say either Android or iOS. Make sure you wait for this to load. It's not going to take you too long. Like I said, about 1 minute or so in order for this to actually go ahead and actually load in. But like I said, guys, super easy, completely for free, and a working Genshin Impact hack and mod working as of January 2026, guys. You cannot miss this. This is insane. Now Plugins doing it completely for free, working. And like I said, guys, this is one of my favorite hacks I've ever found. And it's literally working online on Genshin Impact. So as you guys can see, it is going to require 2 of these additional plugin files in order to install this mod. So it's going to be on this page. This is going to be on either the Apple Store or Google Play Store, and it doesn't really matter what you guys do. It doesn't matter which device you're on. All you need to do is make sure you go ahead and complete 2 of these additional plugin files. These additional plugin files get you the Primogems, and that's all you have to do, guys. As you guys can see here, I'm using this Just Play one right now. All we have to do is simply go ahead and use the app. Remember, read the instructions on these additional plugin files. It doesn't really matter. But what you need to do, guys, is go ahead and complete the second one as well. And you might have different apps to me, and that's completely fine. But all you need to do is make sure that you're going ahead and completing these. One of them, simply go ahead and download TikTok, guys. So if you don't have the TikTok app, go ahead and get TikTok. This is going to count as one of the required additional apps, so you can go ahead and get this mod for Genshin Impact, guys. And as you guys can see, we're just going ahead using TikTok. Once we've done that, we're going to load back into Genshin Impact. As you guys can see, let's load back in right now. Okay, and this literally does work. January 2026. As you guys can see, we're going to load back into Genshin Impact right now. Remember, guys, the Primogems will not be added unless you go ahead and like this video and also do the additional plugin files. That was a joke. But make sure you do the additional plugin files in order for this to work. As you guys can see, we're loading into Genshin Impact. We're going to tap to begin. Okay. Sorry about the loading screens. My phone's a bit slow, but it's also probably the game as well. But as you guys can see here, we're loaded in. All right. On the main beach, just create a brand new account to show you this does work. Load in, and as you guys can see, the Primogems start skyrocketing. It's that easy, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section if you guys do need any help with this. Drop a comment, leave this video a like if it does work for you as well. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.